Good evening, everyone. We're going to be putting together a dry rub. This dry rub is specifically made for a deep fried turkey. So you have 30 bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of Creole seasoning, 2 tablespoons of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of ground peppercorns, and I use the hot peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of oregano, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. This makes a beautiful, beautiful rub. Stir this all together. Nama says, hey. Once you get this stirred together good, then you're going to coat the entire turkey, especially putting it on the inside and underneath the skin. And make sure not to forget to put it on the back side and flip it over and get each side. Then you're going to store this in the refrigerator overnight. And I like to place mine on parchment paper for easy cleanup. This is the best tasting rub you'll